It is time to announce the July giveaway for July. I'll do the announcement. So I'm giving away 2 items. One item is going to be for everyone, all the subscribers, anybody that comments. And the other one is for the top tier paying members only. So if you're in that premium tier, only those folks are eligible. So if you like the look of what I'm going to say or what I'm putting out, you can always become a paying member and get in on some of these giveaways. So not going to be a long video because this is just an extra day content. If you're watching this the day it goes up, that means that you probably watched a live feed in the morning. This was scheduled to go up for me tomorrow at 4 p.m. for you guys right now. What we're giving away is the Olight i5T EOS in brass. Now this has been used and carried. This was sent to me for review. So it's not in pristine condition, but it is still in really good condition. And it is a 2 setting light. It has 2 distinct brightness settings. I'm even going to include the battery. So there's that. And then that's for everyone. So for this item, here's the rules. Your comment is your entry. 1 comment per person. This is limited to, and this isn't just because of the shipping and cost of shipping and things. YouTube has come out and there are rules. Giveaways are for to be done in your country. So it is only for US-based subscribers for this flashlight. These were nice. Olight sent me this. I do have an affiliate link down below. If you don't win, you could always use the affiliate link to try and get one of these. I haven't really put anything. They've done a bunch of sales and stuff. They have flash sales and stuff all the time. Now, that's for that. That one, your comment is your entry. Now, if you are a premium tier paying member, you don't have to do anything. I'm just going to pick your name out of a hat. Beardo the Weirdo won the Ferrum Forge Prolix just the other day. But this month, what we're giving away is one of my handmade custom Kiradashi knives in satin. So this thing is all done. Now, I'm not providing a sheath. If you, whoever wins, I will provide you the information for the guy that I have make my sheaths for these, Crush City Customs. This is incredibly sharp, so whoever wins it, I recommend getting a sheath immediately. But basically, this is the giveaway for the premium tier members. This is a custom-made Viper Kiradashi neck knife. So that's it, guys. That's all there is to say. And here come well, I mean, there's other things to say. Like I can tell you, there's merch store links and affiliate links and stuff down below, but that's saved for most of the scripted videos. This is just me letting you know about the giveaway. So if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. You don't like them, give them a thumbs down. We talked about membership stuff. That's what this is about. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. And there are 2 members that will be scrolling up that are brand new. Josh Mann and Beardo the Weirdo, brand new members to the channel. I'd like to welcome them. So without any further ado, here they come, scrolling by.